If you were born poor, it's not your fault, but if you die poor, that's on you. Now, I know this sounds harsh, but think about it. How many people stay poor because they keep making the same money mistakes? How some people rise from humble beginnings to achieve financial success? Growing up in a middle-class or lower-income family often means financial stability is elusive. However, it doesn't dictate your future. Stay with me till the end because these aren't just save money or invest wisely tips. We're diving deep into the secrets of transforming from poor to prosperous. These are the deep, hidden financial truths that the rich understand, but the poor never realize. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Cultivating financial intelligence. The journey begins with financial intelligence. Unlike traditional education, this skill isn't taught in schools, but it's crucial for wealth creation. Imagine this. A child from a modest background starts reading books on personal finance instead of just school textbooks. By cultivating a habit of learning about investments, savings, and the power of compounding, one can gradually build a robust financial portfolio. This journey isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about transforming financial literacy. Understand concepts like passive income and wealth creation strategies early on. They start making small but significant investments. Over time, these investments grow, compounding their wealth and opening doors to opportunities previously unimaginable. Being rich isn't just about having money. It's about possessing the knowledge to make money work for you. Number 2. Stop thinking like a poor person. Most people born into poverty carry a poor person's mindset their entire life. They think, I just need a stable job and enough to survive. Rich people see money as a tool for growth, investment, and leverage. Poor people see it as a way to cover expenses and survive. A janitor named Ronald Reed, who worked minimum wage jobs, secretly became a millionaire by thinking like an investor, not a poor man. He didn't waste money on unnecessary luxuries. He invested consistently. When he died, he left behind an $8 million fortune. You must upgrade your financial identity. Start seeing yourself as an investor, an entrepreneur, or a wealth builder. Number 3. The time for money trap. Escaping the poor man's cycle. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're trapped. The time for money cycle is the modern-day rat race, where you run faster but never really move ahead. The rich play a different game, one where money works for them. So, are you earning or just surviving? Time is limited, and no matter how hard you work, there are only 24 hours in a day. To escape the paycheck cycle, you must stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an investor. Set up investments that grow over time without constant effort. Instead of upgrading to a bigger car, buy an income-generating asset like stocks, real estate, or a side business. Don't rely on a single job. Develop skills that allow you to earn passively, freelancing, digital products, or rental income. Ask yourself, if I stopped working today, how long would my income last? If the answer scares you, it's time to make a change. Number 4. Overcoming challenges and staying resilient. Escaping the paycheck cycle isn't easy. It demands resilience. Many folks give up at the first setback, returning to their comfort zone of trading time for money. But here's the harsh truth. Comfort is the enemy of wealth. The rich push through failures while the poor retreat into excuses. The question is, will you fight for freedom or will you settle for struggle? Every wealthy person has faced failure. Jeff Bezos' first business flopped. Elon Musk nearly went bankrupt, but they didn't quit. Instead, they adapted and learned. Napoleon Hill wrote, "In Think and Grow Rich. Every adversity brings with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit." Find your why. A strong reason keeps you going when things get tough. Think about what financial freedom means for your future. Expect setbacks. They're part of the journey. Instead of quitting, analyze what went wrong and improve. Number 5. Learning the right skill. Let's take James and Alex. James spent a decade mastering a technical skill that paid well but left him financially stuck because he relied only on a salary. Alex, on the other hand, learned digital marketing and real estate investing, skills that allowed him to earn independently. James had job security. Alex had financial freedom. Learn sales and persuasion. Every millionaire knows how to sell, whether it's a product, an idea, or themselves. Develop digital skills, AI, coding, content creation, and online business are the future. Learn and adapt. If your skills only make you a good employee, you'll stay in the paycheck cycle. Ask yourself, are you learning how to make someone else rich, or are you learning how to make yourself rich? Number 6, you don't have a money plan, and that's why you're broke. The average person never sit down and decide where their money should go. They wake up broke every month, blaming low salaries instead of bad money habits. Most self-made millionaires budget carefully, while the average person spends without a plan. If you don't want to be broke forever, here's what to do. Create a wealth plan. Decide how much you'll save, invest, and spend. Treat it like a business strategy. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investments. No exceptions. Automate savings and investments. Make wealth building a habit, not an afterthought. Without a financial plan, you're not managing money. You're just reacting to it. The rich tell their money where to go. The poor wonder where it went. So what's your strategy? Are you building wealth or just paying bills? Number 7, compound interest will make you rich. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. After 1 year, it grows to $1,100. In year 2, you earn interest not just on $1,000 but on $1,100, making it $1,210. Over time, this snowballs. After 30 years, it becomes $17,449 without adding a single extra dollar. That's the power of compound interest. People either don't invest early enough or don't invest at all. They think saving money is enough. Spoiler alert, it's not. Money sitting in a bank loses value over time due to inflation. Compound interest is the most powerful force in the universe. Invest consistently. Market ups and downs don't matter if you stay in for the long run. Reinvest your returns. Don't cash out. Let the money compound. If you're not using compound interest, you're choosing to stay broke. The rich plant money and let it grow. Number 8, learning sales, the one skill that can make you rich. The highest paid people aren't always the smartest or the hardest working. They're the best at selling. People think sales is only for salesmen, but everything in life is sales, from job interviews to business deals. Think of 2 professionals, John and Mark. John is highly skilled but avoids sales. He believes his work will speak for itself. Mark, on the other hand, learns how to sell. He builds relationships, understands persuasion, and positions himself as valuable. 10 years later, Mark owns a thriving business while John is still stuck in the same job. Why? Because money follows influence, not just effort. Take Steve Jobs. He wasn't the best engineer, but he was the best salesman. He convinced the world to buy into his vision, and Apple became a trillion-dollar company. The rich sell, the poor beg. The difference between being underpaid and financially free isn't just hard work. It's knowing how to make people say yes. Becoming financially independent isn't a dream reserved for a select few. It's a journey anyone can embark on with the right mindset and actions. Start today by educating yourself, saving diligently, investing wisely, and staying resilient in the face of challenges. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, subscribe for more valuable content, and share it with someone who could benefit. Remember, your journey to financial freedom begins now. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.